A very important news this very week, Wednesday, 20th March 2024, is the federal fund rate, the FOMC economic projections, and the FOMC statement, and most importantly, the FOMC press conference that will come up by 6:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you look at this very area, it shows us a very critical news data that will be released this very week, and this is going to shape the direction of this very pair, USDJPY, and also USD pairs across board. So this is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. If this is your first time here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, technical analysis, day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other Forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Right here on Forex Factory, if you look at this, on the 20th of March, which is Wednesday this week, the Federal Reserve in the United States is going to give the federal fund rate, okay? And if you look at this very data, discovered that the previous, that was 2 months ago, that was very late January, the Federal Reserve keep interest rate at 5.50 basis points, and the forecast that we are having for this very month is the same. That means the market is expecting that the Federal Reserve will keep interest rates unchanged. Now, I want to ask you a very simple question, okay? And I want you to answer this question in less than 10 or 15 seconds. What do you think is going to be the actual? Do you think Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rate, or you think they're going to leave interest rate unchanged? So you have 10 seconds to answer this question right now. Okay, so I believe you might have an idea about what you think the Federal Reserve is going to do concerning interest rate this month. Maybe you are thinking, or your answer is that they're going to leave interest rates unchanged, just like we are expecting, or the market is expecting at this very point. Or you think the market is going to be reduced, that is interest rate cut, okay? Now, what is very important right here is what you're seeing on the chart. So our expectation is to make money regardless if Fed cut interest rate or they leave interest rate unchanged this very week, Wednesday. Now, what I am expecting right here from Fed is that they keep interest rate unchanged, not because the forecast is telling us that the Fed is going to leave interest unchanged, but it's because from previous Federal Reserve chairman statement with the person of Jerome Powell, he has been talking about bringing down inflation to 2.0%, okay, year on year, and that is very important, and we have not actually seen that, and this needs to be very consistent before they can be thinking of cutting rate, okay? So I am expecting a rate cut, but not in this very month. So what I'm expecting right now is for Fed to keep interest rates unchanged. That means this very forecast should be the same as what we're going to see as actual, and this will also going to have a major impact in the market on across USD pairs, and this is very important. So if you look at the USDJPY chart right now, you discover that the markets have already had a reaction to the upside for this very news that is going to be released on Wednesday, and this is very important. So market has moved a little bit upward on USDJPY, and if you look at this chart critically, the market has been going down from this very critical level of resistance at this very point to the downside, and right now we are seeing correction to the upside. What this means is that the market is going to move downward. So regardless if Fed keep interest rates unchanged or there is a cut, the market is going to move to the downside. And the reason for this very projection is that the market has already reacted to what Fed is going to do in this very week of trading. So we are seeing reaction right now. So what this means is that the market is going to move upward a little bit, okay, and then we're going to see that very drop to the downside regardless if Fed keep interest rate unchanged. That means the actual will be 5.50%, okay. This is what I am expecting. Looking at this very price chart, USDJPY, discover that at this very point is an important level of support at this very area, And if you look at this very point, it's an important resistance where the market move from this very area, come here, rest a little bit, and then we see the drastic drop to the downside. What I am expecting right here from Wednesday upward is that the market should take a turn back to the downside. Okay, so from here, expect the market to move up a little bit. So from here, market will move up a little bit into this very area. Then from this very zone, pay attention to selling the market downward, okay, because that is what I am looking out for, regardless if Fed keep interest rate unchanged or not. So this very area of support right here, which is resistance right here, that will turn resistance in the market as the market approach this very level, is very important. So what you need to do from Wednesday is to look for sell position, okay, short opportunity on USDJPY chart. As we approach this very area on the price chart, market is going to move up a little bit and then begin to come back to the downside. So what you need to do right now is to look for short or sell opportunity after Wednesday Fed interest rate decision. This is very important. And then if you move back again to Euro USD chart, on the Euro USD chart right here, you see that the markets have moved significantly upward, and right here markets begin to give a little bit of decline to the downside after this very fair swing formation that we see on the price chart. So market move all the way from here upward and then come back right down for a retracement, fair swing, market continue back down. And right now, market is at this very price level of 1.08872. So right here, I am expecting that before this very Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday, the market should continue its movement downward and into this very area of support. Then from here, market is going to move upward. This is what I am expecting. So if we see Fed keep interest rates unchanged, or we see a cut, which is not likely, the market on Euro USD is going to move to the upside. So for Euro USD, you should be paying attention to buying the market. That is what I am observing and paying critical attention to right now on this very price chart. So we have a very important level of support right at this very point, and we have this very level of support right here as well, which market have reacted to on this very move. So I'm expecting that before Wednesday, market should come back down a little bit into this very area, and then from here market should move to the upside. So from this very zone on this very price chart for our chart Euro USD, expect the market to begin to move to the upside, which is very, very critical. And this is what I am watching right now and paying attention to as we approach Wednesday for this very federal fund rate. Okay, so this is very, very important right now on this very chart. So for Euro USD, pay attention to buying the market from this very area after the interest rate decision. And for USDJPY, the same thing, pay attention to shorting the market or selling the market after the interest rate decision. This is very, very important, regardless if Fed leave interest rate unchanged, that is 5.50%, or there is a rate cut, which is not what I am expecting right now from Federal Reserve. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the bell notification. Also check the channel for other Forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. If you have not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video right now. So check the description, register with my recommended broker using the link below this very video in the description. Thank you for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.